Good afternoon, and this is my day 180. So it was a long day for me. I was supposed to sleep today, but or during this time, because it's already 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. But upon my day, or based on the things that I've done today, I feel pretty much productive, aside from the fact that someone stole my parking spot here at our place. But aside from that, we did go to Taguig, which is a more urbanized city, which is, as you can see, this is the place. It's like a highly urbanized, or not really urbanized, but it's a nice city for our corporate world. Think of it as, New York, something like that. And why did I go there? So I did go there because my friend, or at least the sister of his girlfriend, is working there, so I did tag along with them. So we did go to this place, and after we sent her to her place, or to her workplace, we just go back to his home, and then we wash my motorcycle. It's a bit cleaner than it is now, or at least I hope it is a bit cleaner than I hope. I'm messing up. It's cleaner, but I hope it's a little bit more cleaner. But I don't have, or I don't want to dwell with that. And when I did check the motorcycle, or at least the cover seat cost, it would cost 1,200, which is around, I would say, $60. And that's pretty much, or that's pretty expensive for me. So I did hesitate, but when I got to this car shop, or motorcycle repair shop, I did see one of their works, because my friend asked where did she, or where did he get that customized seat, and then he mentioned the place, and I thought, oh, that's the place that I did check out. And I thought they would, they are not really that good, but it's pretty good. So